Stop right here. If you have belly fat, the next few seconds might actually change your life. Because here's an unbelievable truth. Most men between the ages of 20 and 35 never lose their belly fat. Not because it's impossible, but because they follow the wrong exercise, the wrong routine, and the wrong information. But today, I'm giving you 5 simple home exercises that target the deep core muscles inside your abdomen and burn fat as fast as it was gained. And here's your challenge. Do these 5 exercises with me, fully and honestly, and your transformation starts today. Listen, bro, I get it. Work, stress, late-night food. Belly fat doesn't ask permission, just shows up. But here's the good news. You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. You just need 14 minutes, some discipline, and this video. Let's hit this together. Let's level up together, because this is not just a workout. This is where your transformation starts. Exercise 1. Reverse crunches. Target: lower abs, the hardest belly area for men. Most guys store fat right under the belly button. This exercise attacks that exact spot. Instruction: lay flat, lift your legs, pull knees toward chest, control the movement. Don't swing. Timer: 40 seconds work, 20 seconds rest. 2 rounds. Come on, bro. Don't stop. I know it burns. That's exactly why it's working. Push through it. You're stronger than this. Exercise 2. Plank knee to elbow. Target: obliques plus lower belly. This move carves your waistline so your stomach looks flatter from every angle. Instructions: high plank drive, knee toward elbow, opposite elbow. Tighten your core. Keep your back straight. Timer: 40 seconds work, 20 seconds rest. 2 rounds. Feel that twist? That's your waist tightening up. You're not just working out, you're chiseling your core. Exercise 3. Hollow body hold. Target: deep core muscles, the ones that flatten your stomach. This is what gymnasts use for insane core strength, and it's a game changer for belly fat. Instructions: lift shoulders slightly, lift legs, arms straight, hold the position, breathe steady. Timer: 30 seconds hold, 20 seconds rest. 2 rounds. Don't drop your legs. Fight for it. This is where champions are made. Exercise 4. Mountain climbers. Target: full core plus cardio burn. This is where your calories start screaming for mercy. Instructions: high plank, fast knee drive, keep core tight, don't let hips bounce. Timer: 40 seconds work, 20 seconds rest. 2 rounds. Voiceover hype. Speed it up. You're burning fat right now. Imagine yourself 8 weeks from today. Trust this process. Exercise 5. Leg raises. Target: lower abs plus hip flexors. This is one of the most effective belly fat exercises in the world, if you do it right. Instructions: hands under hips, slowly lift legs, slowly lower. Don't drop legs fast. Timer: 40 seconds work, 20 seconds rest. 2 rounds. Come on. Last burn. Finish strong. Don't cheat yourself. You're too close to the new you. Bro, if you made it to this point, you're already different from the average guy. Most people quit, but you didn't, and that's exactly why you'll lose belly fat faster than anyone you know. Remember this, it's not about perfection, it's about progression. If you want more workouts like this, more motivation, and real results, make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a comment saying I'm in, and share this with a friend who needs this workout. Let's transform together. See you in the next one, bro.